What's up guys, welcome to Petrol at Paradise. Today is Father's Day, International Yoga Day, Solar Eclipse and Supercar Sunday. So after so many days of lockdown, now I'm going to Worli Seaface for some supercar spotting, and let's see what we spot today. Dude, there's a seriously manual E92 BMW M3 coming in. You should have a look, it's beautiful. Let's see. The AMG GTS you're about to see has a updated Panamericana grille which looks really amazing. This is how the Jaguar 4-cylinder F-Type sounds, and here the V8 now.